Tell me more. Tell me more about your
I have
feelings.
feelings, Hillary.
What are you feeling right now?
A mix of pride in getting up this hill and a lot of suppression of frustration at the weather and the feeling of the inside of my rain jacket.
Gotcha. We have had an interesting day. It was supposed to be 46 kilometers and the first part was supposed to be hard. But we were prepared for that. What are we doing today?
We're going up a real steep, muddy hill.
Yeah. Chris scouted it yesterday, so we know that it goes, but it's not going to be fun.
We found the cows. No one seems very impressed with the rain today.
Don't hit the rock, Hillary. And then I immediately hit the rock. Rolling. Go see me riding dirty.
Riding dirty. One of Caroline's bolts that was mounting her fender and back rack is off.
She has everything she needs.
I'm not sure. I think she's gonna come up here.
She just pulled out the quick stand.
I just broke the bolt in half while tightening.
Wow.
Which means that half the bolt is stuck in the hole.
Oh, that's the problem. I was like, don't we have extra bolts?
Yep.
We do, but
Just like, hopefully I can get it out.
yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank God it's sheared with enough to bite.
Yeah.
There it is.
Let's
The
see,
little
here's the other
piece.
half. Oops.
Oh. Oops. To avoid the busy highway, our route followed the coast.
Our map showed the paved road give way to rougher and rougher tracks. We weren't quite sure what to expect.
But then the rest of the day, we've definitely spent more of it on really rough dirt roads that didn't seem like anyone had driven on in quite a while.
Yep, down. Straight down to the ocean.
Woo!
Uh-oh. That's definitely the way my map tells us to go. Yeah, I think that we just assume it's another...
Cavalgate.
Thank you.
But of course.
Huh.
We were on this amazing stretch of coast, and we were like, wow, there's no one out here. We were a little bit worried about whether or not it went through because there were some like military zones on the route, but it looked like the road went right next to the military zone, so we weren't like that worried.
Whoa, cool rocks. Whoa, very cool rocks.
little bit anxiety inducing because we don't actually know if the road goes through, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But it's actually some of the funnest riding I think I've done in a while. It's fun. I wanna thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Okay. Okay. Hey Chris, you wanna go over to that castle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this has been an adventure. Because is there a gate, a fence, or?
Punished by the law.
You will be punished according
But,
to the law
like,
for
when I
trespassing.
look on Komoot, like, people obviously done it.
I think at this point, we try to be discreet.
Ask for help. There's definitely cars. There's like a white van up there. I saw one car moving.
Either we go a little bit further and we hope we get through, or we go all the way back without trying. So
Yeah, might as well try, and they tell us like, no, you can't go here.
You can, I mean, that's the most obvious right to me.
I missed it going by.
yeah, we
I
don't
even
speak Italian,
yeah.
so
Alright.
Okay.
but then we got closer. We happened to get there right when they were doing a military drill, like right on the road. And we were really kind of concerned that we were gonna end up in jail or something. Or we were like, are we accidentally inside of the military zone? But then we just like talked to a dude, and then he made us wait through like the entire drill where they were doing something with a little model airplane, and then he let us pass. Getting out of the military zone! The military zones were like on the side of the road, and the road was still accessible, but it didn't feel like that at the time.
It turns out this area is home to the largest military range in Italy. All the cars back.
So now we're heading down the hill on pavement to our hotel.
We're almost here.
It's been a long day.
We're looking for 17 Cerberus. You can help.
I almost got hit by a bus.
It was neat that you didn't.
This is it.
Found it.
Found it. This is Dea. Her name means goddess.
Ciao. Parlate italiano?
English?
And this is Susie. We love Susie. Susie offered us a beer right off the bat and then recommended a delicious restaurant.
Ho lasciato il cancello aperto, pensavo che arrivava la macchina. Perché la strada è a senso unico e quindi qui un patatrac. Allora ho detto, apro il cancello. Mi hai capito? No.
When we asked the server what kind of meat was in the dumplings, she said, I can't remember in English. Bambi?
The next day, the skies were clear and sunny, so we headed down the coast to what we had heard were some of the best beaches in Sardinia. Pronti?
Ciao ragazzi, buon viaggio. Ciao.
Grazie, grazie.
Ciao ragazzi. Ciao.
Come on.
Step on shit.
I'm going for like Tatooine.
You know, that's what I thought when I saw it.
I think our unique fashion senses are,
Our marketing point.
yeah, and also our communication skills.
Hey, Hillary, where are we?
In paradise, can't you tell?